Hey guys, I'm Corey.
And I'm Matt.
And we've got your partner training workout today. With your partner, you're going to do 2 exercises, 3 rounds. First round, 20 reps each. Second round, 15 reps each. Last round, 10 reps each. First one is a Roman grip squat. Grip them really firmly by the wrist like the Romans do so you have good strong stability. Keeping eye gaze to each other, you're both going to squat down, touch the ground, and switch. Keeping eye gaze to encourage each other and to help us have good posture as we squat. Going for 20 reps. Next set, you're going to drop down into push-up position, head to head, hands wide, dropping down, giving us a high five in between. Getting that high five before you both go to the next rep for 20 reps. Then come up, check it out. Second set, you do 15 reps of both exercises. Last rep, 10 reps both exercises. And encouraging each other, making each other bring what?
Your intensity.